Welcome back to In the Garden with Margie. We didn't have a garden last year because we went and we got our truck camper and we spent the whole summer on it. And I'll tell you, we sure missed not having the bounty from the garden. So it's nice to be back.
We literally cleaned out the garden the fall before last, but then just left it. We didn't even treat it for the following year. We were gone just 3 months out of the summer, and when we got back from our last trip, the end of August, this is what we came home to. But now we're back to it. And I was gone the month of May, so we made our garden plan. I put a list together for what to buy for my husband, and he was in charge of preparing the soil, the walkways, and planting our baby seedlings. Unfortunately, the nursery we usually go to didn't have several things that we usually have, like beans and such. So, since it's the only nursery in town, next year I'll start my own plants from seeds. Stay tuned for how that goes. Now, we did things a bit differently this time. First, we organized the garden differently with a row against one of the side fences. This is where the cucumbers are. A little more than we planned because there were no pole bean seedlings. But I could just plant the seeds, but we have too short a growing season to try. Second, in previous years, I put down newspaper and straw between the rows, but this year I decided on a center walkway in wood chips. We'll see how it works when the monsoons start and everything is soaked. Finally, I haven't been real happy with the soaker hoses. They just didn't put out enough water, and I'd have to keep them running for hours and hours. So this year I switched to a drip line system. They're still really small diameter, it's 1/4 inch, but already I'm much happier with it. And right now I have it set to 10 minutes twice a day, but I just changed that to once a day. So there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And here's to your gardening ventures from In the Garden with Margie.